Hey guys, welcome back. If you couldn't tell, today we're going to be doing a FrockBox try-on. If you were not yet aware, a FrockBox is a monthly subscription service for Canadians. They might ship to other places, I don't know. They're actually based out of St. Albert in Alberta, which is awesome because that is the province where I live, so I love supporting local. And you can check out my other try-ons up in the corner here. We're coming up to just about a full year of FrockBox try-ons, which is very exciting. And after I've reached my year of the subscription box, I'm going to add everything up, let you know what I kept, what I didn't keep, kind of a full overview of the service. But still have a few months left, so I'm going to show you the 5 articles of clothing that they sent to me. It's like $24.99 to receive the box every month. You can set your item limit if you have a hard limit for how much you'd like each clothing item to cost. So if you like anything, you just don't mail it back, and then they charge you for however much that was, less that $24.99 styling fee. And then also, if you keep everything in the box, you get an additional discount. If you keep everything, you get 25% off the total cost of everything in the box. So let me go ahead and show you what I got. The first item here is this long sleeve print top. It is from the brand Dex. It is made in China and it's a size large. It's like a navy color with a bunch of stars on it. And it is 100% polyester. So let me go ahead and throw this on and we can take a look at how it looks. Alright, and this is what it looks like on. You can see it is kind of almost a crop top length, and then it's got 2 strings to just tie up to, I guess, get to whatever height you'd want it to be at. And there she is. I think it's really, really cute. I think it's a good fit. It's $60, so it is kind of pricey, and I do feel like it's a little tight along the back, which I think is a pretty common problem with these types of shirts. But overall, I really like it. I can see myself wearing it to work and wearing it kind of casually at home with skirts, with pants. It's a exciting print. I don't know. Overall, we're off to a much, much better start than we were with last month's box. Yay! That makes me feel so much better. And here is the next item from this month's box. This is called the long sleeve shirt blouse in size large. It is the color burnt orange leopard. So interesting color, again by the brand Dex. So I'm gonna guess it's probably got a similar fit. This shirt actually fully buttons up, although I just kind of threw it over my head. And this is another full-on button-up as well. This one is made in China again. It's 100% rayon this time, and it is $49.99. And here is this shirt. As you can see, it's kind of a nice slimming fit. The buttons end right here, so the rest of it just kind of casually pops over. Let me try tucking it in. Overall, I think it is super cute. Definitely something I could wear to work, no problem. On the picture, the style guide card they send with the box, they actually show the model with rolled up sleeves, which is super cute. Again, I really like it. Kind of a fun print, a little different, very flattering color. So overall, I like it. And here is item number 3. This is called the Lace Peekaboo Sleeve Blouse, again in size large. It's in the color olive, and this one is $69.99. It buttons up at the back, and it's inside out on the hanger. Let me go ahead and throw it on so we can see it the right way around. I guess I should say this is from the brand Lofty Manor. It's a size large, and I actually don't see a tag anywhere that says what this shirt is made of. So interesting. Anyway, let me go ahead and throw it on so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so here is this one on. Honestly, I'm not sure if it's the most flattering silhouette for me. It's a little like sleeve heavy, but isn't that a super cute detail? The cuffs button up. There's a button at the back. It's got a little bit of a flounce at the bottom. I would probably tuck it into this particular skirt, but I could see myself wearing it with like a pencil skirt out like this, or with like jeans or something. Let me try tucking it in here. That's a cute silhouette. And cute for wear, cute tucked into like a pencil skirt, or worn like this, or your jeans. Kind of an easy item to wear. I do feel like it's just a little bit tight along the back and maybe along the upper sleeves. So if push came to shove, I'm not 100% sure I would keep this item. The next item are these pants. These are a pant with draw cord at waist in size extra L in the color Pixel Stripe. And you can see it's kind of like a textured stripe there. But let me go ahead and throw these on. And she said actually I could pair the pants with any of the shirts that we've gotten so far. Again, this one's $49.95 by that brand Dex as well, Dex Plus. And these ones are made in China, 95% viscose and 5% spandex. And they have pockets. And alright, these are the pants. I just tucked them into I tucked the shirt in so you can take a look. They've got this huge, long draw cord with like heavy metal ends on the end. And they feel really super comfy. They almost feel like pajamas or sweatpants, but they're kind of a crop type fit that loosens up as they go up the thigh. And it looks like a shirt on the outside. I don't know. I'm not too sure I would necessarily match the shirt with the top, but I could definitely see myself wearing these pants to the office or on a day off, or honestly, like as pajamas. They are pretty darn comfy, and I think with like a sweater, something to kind of like cover up the tummy area, these would be a super duper cute. I don't know if these heavy metal ends will end up falling off in the washing machine, but it's so long, I don't think that's going to be really a problem. And maybe at the office, I would just like tuck them in so you can't even see that they're drawstring pants. Although again, probably not with this shirt, I don't know. Let me know what you think. And there's one more item in the box. This is the Asymmetrical Dotted Swing Dress in size extra large. It is $79.99, so pretty expensive. It is in the color black, but you can see it's got this white print pattern. And it is by the brand Hayden, Los Angeles. Never heard of them. I don't think I've maybe gotten an item from them yet. It is made in China, and it is 100% polyester. Again, the size 1XL. It's cool because it's such a busy pattern you can't hardly tell, but the bottom actually is asymmetrical. The ruffle starts way down on one side, kind of comes up to the other side. So let me go ahead and throw this on so you can have a better idea of what this actually looks like on a person. And here is what it looks like on the body. And I kind of feel like they lost a great opportunity to sell me a belt because this is like super comfy cozy, but I do feel like I would be a little bit self-conscious in public because I feel like I need a little bit of waist definition. So luckily I have my own waist cincher. Cinched in, I think this is like super duper cute. It starts kind of at the fringe kind of starts right at the cincher and goes down on this side over down here. No pockets, which, okay, a few points off, but overall I do kind of like it. What do we think from the side? Is it super flattering? I feel like with the A-line, really kind of hides any issues you might be having, lumps and bumps kind of thing. So yeah, I think that's super cute. I think with a sweater and maybe some long socks, it's super, super me. And again, this one was $79.99. For this material and the simplicity of the dress, might be like a little bit expensive. But there you go. So now I have to do some math and figure out what I'm going to do with all of the items. To be honest, this might be another box where I keep every single item if it comes out cheap enough. Again, complete reversal from last time. They definitely sent me my box this time. So the items that would be on the chopping block, I think would be the dress and this green top. These three I think are all definitely going to be for sure keeps. And these were also the two most expensive items in the box. $70 for the shirt, $80 for the dress. So let me add everything up and I'll see what I decide to do here. Alright, so if I was to keep every single item in the box, which again, to quickly recap, 3 shirts, this dress, and these pants. With the discount for keeping every item, it would cost me about 215 Canadian dollars. If I just keep the items that I super, super love, the pants and the 2 shirts, it would come out to $135 if I give these 2 items away. So honestly, I think that fits my budget a little bit more this month. These are very cute, but I can't afford to keep everything in every box. And like I said, I just am not 100% sure about these 2 items. If I really like this dress, I could make it out of a better material just kind of myself. It's that simple. I could probably handle it. To be completely honest, this box could have really gone either way. I could have kept everything. I think this is more sensible, keeping things that I really, really love. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me for another try-on haul. You guys have been really enjoying these, leaving me great feedback, commenting on if your box has had the same issues that my box has had, which I freaking love and adore. Thank you guys so much. If you want to watch more of my try-ons, like I said, they'll be up in the corner. Otherwise, I test out a ton of beauty products. That's like the main focus of my channel. Huge shout out to my Patreons who help make these videos possible. Huge shout out to you for watching. And with that, I'll see you all in Thursday's beauty video. Bye!